So you are now a quality engineer and wondering how to develop yourself that you will always be in demand in job market. You check subreddit, sometimes you ask ChatGPT, you look at people profiles on LinkedIn, but you're still unsure, aren't you? Don't worry, because in this video I will tell you exactly what skill is in most demand for the quality roles. Hello everyone, my name is Mete and I am a quality engineering professional, mentor and the author over 10 years of experience in the automotive manufacturing industry. If you didn't subscribe yet, I kindly ask you to do now, then I can help you more for your career. When you are in the quality, regardless of the roles, you always deal with the problem. So thing is, you need to be good on problem solving. You need to know what kind of questions you will ask the team to get correct data for the root cause analysis. What kind of questions should you ask to understand what the problem is, or what techniques in problem solving you should use. There are many problem-solving methodologies in manufacturing industries, but two of them quite effective and famous. They are 80 problem solving and Six Sigma. 80 problem solving is the most common method through the industries. It is used in serial quality claims, warranty problems, production process issues, supplier quality issues, audit non-conformances, and more. So it is really used in large area. That's why it is absolutely a vital asset that you need to keep in your pocket. Next is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is not as practical as 80 problem solving because it is much comprehensive and it includes statistical techniques under the MAC methodology. This method is also used as a certification degree, so therefore some of the companies require Six Sigma grades for the quality related roles. And that's why I really recommend you to get at least yellow belt, which will make you familiar with the Six Sigma and ultimately the MAC process. In my first years in the business, I was exposed to all these techniques, and I was trying to do without knowing how they actually work. After a decade, I experienced numerous critical and complicated problems in different environments. And that's exactly why I wrote my first ebook on quality engineering guide. Because I wanted to share this knowledge and the experience that I gained over 10 years for the people who are in the first years in their work life. The link is in the video description, you can check this out. So we talk about a vital skill in quality, which is a problem solving. Thank you for watching, and if you are new here and didn't subscribe yet, I kindly ask you to do now because I will keep sharing these lessons and experience which will help you to grow in your career. Thank you.